M0FXB Digital Ham Radio Diary, welcome. So here we are on our jumbo hotspot or ZumSpot type device using Pi-Star, and it's wired to our broadband router at home, but we want wireless. The first thing we need to do is use a scanner like this for scanning our network, because when we change it from wired to wireless, it's going to change the IP address. So this is what I do. Now you could just look on your home router and it will appear. At the moment we've got Pi-Star Fusion here, and it showed as a wired. It says look at the wired side, ignore the bit where it says wireless. So it's a wired connection. We want to configure it to be wireless. All you do is click configure, like so. Go down. Now I've already set it up, so what we'll do, we'll reset that, we'll get rid of that. Right, so internet is, imagine now there's no wired connection, so all you do is configure Wi-Fi, click add network. Well, I would just scan for networks. There is a bit of a delay on this, but click scan. So we're right at the bottom of the Pi-Star configuration page here, so just so you know. Right, found it. So look, select the one you want. So that's the one I want. Put in your password. Which we've done. And then 100% remember to go save and connect. Now it's going to vanish off your screen. And the reason it's going to do that is because it's going to reset and reboot with a new IP address. Right, you heard me clicking there. So what I've done is unplug the Ethernet cable and replug and turned it on and off. Right, giving that a time to reboot. So we've gone into the tool that I use for searching my IP address, and it's now appeared as wireless 114 here, and I'll put that into Google. But remember, if you can't go into your router, just download this program here and it will search for you, and it's a free program, and you're looking for the new IP address and it will be called Pi-Star. Now so I renamed it to Pi-Star Fusion, but yours will be called Pi-Star, and you can rename it just above your call sign in the settings. So let's put that into the browser. So it's 192.168.114. So we go 192.168.0.114, hit enter, and it will take us straight to it now. And if you look now, configuration, and I've unplugged the internet cable now. The wired cable is now unplugged, but look here, we've got interface up, and you can add new ones just by hitting configure Wi-Fi. And look, you can add more networks. So you could, I don't know, add your mobile phone when you go mobile, take a little battery with you, then you've got a mobile hotspot. So I hope this helps change your hotspot from a wired hotspot, which tend to be the Raspberry Pi 3B type versions, into a wireless one. And remember, you can buy an adapter for your Pi Zero type jumbo hotspot that will change it and add a wired connection for you for about £4. And they look like this. I mean, there's ones plenty on Amazon, and you just plug them into your, this looks like the one I've got, which is about £5. Plug the micro USB into your jumbo, and then it will now have an Ethernet connector, and then you can go back to wired, because some people prefer wired. 7.3, all the best.